Hey, Josh with Coastal Angler Explorer here. Just wanted to share with you guys. Finally got myself a kayak. Got the Pelican 110 Angler high drive. It's pedal drive. It's pretty nice. 10.5 foot. It's pretty affordable. Pretty easy to put together. Definitely excited to use it. So stay tuned, and pretty soon when the weather gets slightly better, which might be in the next couple weeks, maybe even next week, I'm going to try to get out there on the water and see what we can do on this kayak. Can't wait. Here's a close-up view. Got the pedal drive there. Got your steering here. Seat, rod holder, 3 rod holders. I'm ready to go, man. Ready to go.